Hey guys, welcome back to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. What are the minimum things you need to criteria you need to follow to approve your Google AdSense? So everything I will explain in this video, friends. So before going to the video, still if you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon, click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also friends, before going to the video, if you're not yet watched our dedicated playlist blogging using the WordPress, you can just go to our playlist and you can watch this playlist, friends, from the beginning, how you can purchase the domain and how you can connect the domain and hosting, how you can add the https, you need to enable the ssl certificate. First thing, you need to have the high level domain. Everything, friends, have been explained in this video. So what are the pages required and how you can add to the main menu, everything have been explained in in this playlist. You can just check out this playlist. So now let's get into the topic. I will give link in the description, friends, about the playlist. You can just go to the description and you can check it. So first, let us talk about the domain. So first, you need to have a top level domain. You can purchase .com, .in, .in, anything you can .online. You can purchase any kind of domain to get the AdSense approval. Second thing you need to follow is you need to have an SSL certificate. So if you don't know how to add the SSL certificate to your blog or website, you can just go to the playlist and check out how you can enable the SSL certificate for the free of cost have been explained in our playlist. The third thing you need to follow is you need to have a minimum pages, friends. Privacy policy, contact us, about us, everything you need to have the pages. If you have a blog or else website, you need to follow these things. So you need to create an privacy policy. So if you don't know how to create a privacy policy page, so I have been already explained in our playlist how you can generate just by simple clicks. You can generate the privacy policy page for your blog or website. Once you create, you need to add to the main home screen. If you have a blog or website, you need to create this pages and you need to add to your blog or website for the home screen. In the menu section, you need to add all these pages: privacy policy, about us, contact us, and the home. And also if you want to add the disclaimer, you can add it. So it's an optional, but these four pages must have in your home screen. So once it is done, you need to major concentrate on the content. So for the content, you need to write a minimum to minimum 15 articles. 15, so it's better to write 20 articles also. You can write the minimum 15 articles and you can give the just add connect your blog to the Google AdSense to approve for the approval. So if you don't know how to connect it also, I have been already explained. So and also you need to for that you need to before connecting for the Google AdSense, you need to add it to the Google Search Console also. So I will already explain how you can add the for the Google Search Console also. These are the minimum criteria. So if you add this your blog to the Google Search Console, you will get the organic traffic, friends. You can grab the organic traffic. Once you post the articles, you need to connect your blog or website to the Google Search Console. Once it is done, you can easily connect your blog to the AdSense account. So once it is done, they will take some time to review your blog or website. So once they have been reviewed, they will give the result. So if your Google AdSense is approved, means website or blog will ready to show ads. But if you have any policy issues no content, so you can no need to worry about that. Just what you have to do is just add five to 10 more articles to your blog, and you can just go to the site in the Google AdSense. You can go to the site section and you can go to you can confirm it and you can request for review. Again, you can request for review, but the content should be genuine. You should not copy from anywhere, friends. You should write by your own. So you can read it and you can write it on your own way, but you should not copy and paste the things here. If you copy and the paste the things, the AdSense will not approve anyway. So if it is approved also, in the further you may face any problems. These all are the required things you need to follow. Just write the articles on your by using your knowledge. You can just post it 15 articles so first, and if it is not yet approved, so you can write the 5 to 10 more articles and you can give for the review. And also you can approve your AdSense just by following these simple steps. So once it is done, you need to we need to come for the major thing is ads. So you can't display more than you can't write only one single line and you can display multiple ads in your blog or website. So you need to have a minimum content. So after Google AdSense approval also, the Google will view your website. If there is an invalid activity, surely the Google will disable its service to your blog. So make sure that before posting any article, after Google approval also, you need to write by your own, and you can maintain the auto ads also if you want. If you don't know how to place the ads, so you can, best method is you can place the auto ads. So in our playlist I have been explained the how you can like display the auto ads in your blog also. You can just follow that video. So if you're so this playlist will definitely will help you friends. So blogging using the WordPress, though this playlist will definitely help you. Just go to the playlist and you can watch from the beginning. Everything will be available in this playlist. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.